Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to open a hood. So from the driver's side here, first we'll go down. You should see a release lever that will pull. That pop sound was the safety release. Behind here you should see a cable that's attached with a little tightness. If you don't, you'll need to adjust that and get this reattached. We'll go up to the front. And then most motor vehicle models, towards the middle, there's a lever. This one we're pushing and lifting. There we go, that's where it was hooked onto. And this is what the bottom looks like with this. Make sure there's no debris in here and maybe clean it up. Maybe spray some WD-40 to loosen it if needed. That's it. Otherwise, make sure your hood's straight. Nothing's out of alignment or bent, because that'll cause you issues too. But that's it. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.